Finish before you start. You might say, Austin, well, that's not possible. How can you finish something before you start it? This is a big misconception and why a lot of people give up on their dreams. A lot of people just want to make money or build wealth or create financial freedom, whatever it might be, but they don't plan out how to get there before they start. Finish before you start. Plan. Have your goal in mind. See, visualize the target. All of this, you've heard all of this before. But people leave out this. And I don't mean get a general plan. Well, I'm going to start an e-commerce business. That's a general plan. I'm going to start a landscaping business. That's a general plan. Get your plan. Your plan should involve steps, okay? 1. What is the end result? You're probably going to say, well, I want money. I want to make money. That's why I'm going to start. That's my plan, to make money. But how are you going to get there? What's going to be your, are you looking, when you're thinking about the money, are you thinking about the first dollar your business is going to earn? Are you thinking about how many dollars you're going to earn in the end when you build the business to the point of selling it, or build the business to the point of retirement, or whatever, to the point of handing it down to your kids, your family, whoever? What is the end result? Okay? Money, obviously, but how much? Okay? Number 2, don't focus on the first dollar. Focus on the last dollar. Make sense? Focus on where you want to go, okay? Then you really start your planning. How am I going to get that? And then you lay out your steps. This is where people screw up and give up all at the same time or shortly thereafter. You're gonna, step 1 would be, let's use an e-commerce business for example, okay? Figure out what you want to sell. Your product or products. This will, you have to factor in and take into account margins. That means how much money you're going to put in your pocket after everything's said and done, after the person comes to your website, after you pay the hosting company, after you pay shipping costs. To get it to the door, perfectly happy customer, you might take into account the first order is damaged. You have to pay for the shipping for them to send it back to your supplier. Then you have to send them back another product, okay? So you want to have all of that into account. People just get a side up and go, and they might get an account with us at No Limit Products and have a product where with a 10% margin, their shipping cost is 8%, they make 2 at the end of the day, and then if there's something goes wrong with the order, it's late, it's a send back, charge back, you go in the hole, okay? Figure out your margins, figure out your products, it's just there's a very smart man told me one time, the hardest form of work. Can you tell me what you think the hardest form of work is? It's not baling hay. I've done that. It's not running a shovel. I've done that. Thinking. Proactively thinking is the hardest form of work that you can possibly do. But it can be greatly rewarding. I'm Austin Mayfield. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you enjoy my content, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let me know of any questions, positive or negative, in the comment section below. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I got free opportunities in the description below. I founded No Limit Products back in 2015. Multi-vendor marketplace. You can sell your products with us 100% free for the first 30 days. We have a 50% residual commission affiliate program. Check it out. Austin Mayfield, thanks.